I know, I called it Waste of Space Infinity. Yeah.
He got rid of it.
Oh, okay. Wait, who's up there? Is that guy like buying a game or something? It's like taking forever. Cause
Call of Duty Ghosts.
Have you played Destiny before?
yeah,
Oh, yeah.
we both have.
How is the game?
The base game is really not that great, but with the DLC, it's pretty decent.
It's
Is
like
it like a real open world?
You could say that. Like you have to go. Yeah, like when you do like the missions, you have to like stay on the mission, but you can go anywhere.
yeah, you can click like free roam on that planet. You can go anywhere you want.
Yeah.
And then or you can do missions on that planet. It's pretty cool.
Yo, come on, Ethan. Mystery fee. What? All right, we'd like to return this game.
Okay. Does not work. Put it in the microwave.
Yeah.
Hopefully none of the fumes from the thing got in your head.
Oh no, it's all good.
Weird it out.
It's a winner. I'll take that. Yeah, so we can't take that.
Okay.